think we reached the bottom.
Good.
Can you look up here? Ah, very pretty. That's a bridal veil. Must be out there probably there. Okay, don't turn. But that's not even the main attraction. Over there is the main one.
We're getting there. Slow and steady.
Eventually. Woo. And there it is. Whole lot of water. No swimming in there today. You can't swim in the river down below us. So we're not going to. I'm pretty sure.
Are you?
Pretty sure.
Oh. You're right between the left. Who needs dry clothes, huh?
Huh?
I said, who needs dry clothes?
I guess. They just left the wet ones on from earlier.
If I had really thought this was going to happen, I could have.
We're a leader. And this is where you're able to swim today. Alrighty then. And you go up right there on the rack and go in the water. Oh, there you see it up there through the trees.